Veteran journalist and opposition Ibrahim Ssemujju Nganda is calling on all opposition parties in Uganda to unite and work as one team ahead of the 2026 general elections. Speaking in an interview at NBS, Ssemujju said that while removing President Museveni and the ruling NRM from power is important, the bigger challenge lies in rebuilding and transforming the country afterward. He said, "I want all opposition parties and actors to come together under one political platform. Yes, we want to remove Museveni, but that's just the first step. The real work is fixing and leading Uganda in a better direction." Ssemujju explained that while it may not be easy to merge all opposition groups into one party, since many have different structures and sometimes compete against each other, there is still room to cooperate. He said the People's Front for Transition, which he belongs to, is already working with the Alliance for National Transformation (ANT) and reaching out to others to join hands. He also confirmed that PFF plans to field a presidential candidate in the 2026 election. The party has invited people interested in running for various positions, from president to local council, to pick forms and express interest. If more than one person applies for the same position, the party will vet and select a final candidate. He also said that our wish is to have one joint candidate for president and for parliament, supported by all opposition forces. That's what we are working hard to achieve. But if that doesn't happen, we can still cooperate on some goals, even if we have different candidates. When asked what makes PFF stand out from other opposition groups, Ssemujju gave a simple answer: people. Parties may share similar policies, but what sets us apart is the people we have. PFF has the brains to run a strong campaign and to lead this country when the time comes.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think.
Frank Gashumba has questioned the preparedness and effectiveness of Uganda's opposition ahead of the 2026 general elections, describing their current approach as a business vote rather than a genuine push for change. In a pointed social media post, Gashumba challenged opposition leaders to reflect on what they are doing differently this election cycle that would prevent a repeat of previous defeats. He wrote and said, "What is the opposition doing differently from what they did in the last election that will stop them from losing this one?" Gashumba further urged that President Museveni currently faces no serious competition, suggesting that the political field lacks a formidable challenger following the incarceration of opposition figure Dr. Kizza Besigye. His remarks come amid growing debates on the viability of Uganda's multi-party democracy and the role of opposition parties in mounting a credible challenge to the ruling National Resistance Movement, which has maintained political dominancy for nearly 4 decades. As the country edges closer to the 2026 general elections, Gashumba's critique adds to the cause for introspection within opposition ranks and raises questions about the authenticity authenticity, and impact of their current political strategies.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid.